Welcome back to DavidSW. Today we'll be presenting the Rolex Day-Date 40 Everose with the olive green dial. The Day-Date is perhaps the most iconic timepiece in history, worn by some of the most important people in the world. The reference 228235 is a rose gold timepiece, but Rolex doesn't use regular gold, but instead Everose. Everose is a mixture of 24 karat gold, platinum, and copper. The addition of copper allows the rose gold to be more durable, and the rose gold tone has a slightly different luster to other pieces. The watch features an olive green dial. The dial contrasts beautifully with the Everose case, making it the ultimate piece for the boardroom. Keeping in mind, this watch also works perfectly for everyday use, thanks to the twin lock system allowing this watch to have 100 meters of water resistance. As the name suggests, this watch has a 40mm case by 47.2mm lug to lug and a total thickness of 12.2mm. For your reference, my wrist is 6.5 inches. The Day-Date needs no introduction or conclusion. It's arguably the most recognized and iconic Rolex ever made. The Everose allows the watch to take a new personality while still remaining an icon. Thank you for watching. For more information and purchasing details, please visit our website davidsw.com.